Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. I got 3 different locations I want to show you where I have some of these mulberry saplings. Here's one of them. Now, through the winter, it looks like some of the others have died back, like this one. I did have 3 in this spot. One was over here, that one died back, so you see we still got one alive. That's why I try to fight the good fight in numbers when I do my transplanting from pots into the ground or even with seeds. Let's go check location number 2. Sorry, there were 4 locations, so this is location number 2. These guys seem to be doing a little better over here. Not bad. You see the new growth. Excellent. And this is an understory location. Got some over here too. Yeah, I need to pull some of this. I think that's crabgrass. But here's another one. It's got new growth, looking really healthy. I'm excited. Let's go check the last location. And this one seems to be doing the best. So mulberries are on the way. The trees are still alive. They're doing fine as young saplings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That helps the channel out quite a bit. Have a good day and stay tuned because I'll keep you updated on the progress of these mulberry trees.